Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create email template in Outlook. So the first step you need to do is to open the Outlook. So once you open the Outlook from Microsoft, here you can see new mail, click on that, and here is the option to create an email. So I want to open it in a new window, so click on that. Okay, so here I'm going to write my email. Hi team, and this is our weekly call and managing director how to solutions. Okay, so this is the template that I created, and now I want to save it. So you simply need to click on three dots and click on save draft. Then you need to close, and whenever in the future you want to send email, so here you can see draft, you simply need to click here and you need to add the subject of the weekly goal or whatever your template you created, and then you need to add your team here and you can share with your team. So this is the process you need to follow to create email template in Outlook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.